Fiona here from Lavender Blue. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today I want to start a new journal, and it's going to be a flip-flop journal. You would have, well, if you're in the journaling community, you would have seen them before, where they flip one way and then you can flip them open the other way. There's lots of tutorials out there, and there's lots of different ways of making them, and you can have, you know, as little or as many signatures as you like. Some people make them with 2 or 3, some people make them with 5 or 6 signatures. But for me, because I haven't done many of these, I think I'm just going to do 3 signatures, and one will only be a smallish signature in the front. So I've got on my envelopes sort of how I want them so that I don't forget, because this just, it really confuses me. Yeah, I'm just going to show you what I've got. So I've got, I picked out a little small envelope for the front. You know, you get those little card and envelope sets. And so these are little tiny ones. Where's my ruler? These are about 11.5 centimeters by 9, or it's only about 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And then I've got a bigger one here, also from a card and envelope set. Sure, that's your standard card and envelope size. It's just a little bit bigger. I mean, it doesn't matter, you don't have to measure. So I wanted to put this as a little flip out, and I'll probably use that pocket. And this is basically my front cover, and I will have a signature. So these two are going to go behind this first envelope. I'm just using the standard window envelopes. Some are old and some are new. Now this one I might cut down a little bit because I want it a little bit smaller than this one. This is going to be a pocket, this one. So let me just do this step by step so it's a little bit less confusing. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue these two together. So I'm just gluing the flaps together. So I'm going to get glue on this one. I'm using a glue stick. I'm going to be sewing. But this is a pretty good glue stick that I've got here. So I think, I mean, it's not an expensive one. It's just a paper click brand, but it's actually quite good. So just look around. Some of them that I've got, I found they're sort of dry, and that's not very good, but this one's nice and moist, and it does stick really well, so I'm using it anyway. So what this is going to be is basically a little flip pocket, then basically the front cover. And I will have a little signature in here. Now I'm going to place this one just down. I don't want it right in the middle, so I'm just moving it down a little bit. So I'm going to glue now on this flap. Just make sure you get your glue right to the edge. And I'm just going to put it right there. Just need to wipe off the excess glue I got on there. So we've got this. So this is going to have a little signature in it, you know, probably tall, because I like the, you know, I like the unevenness of the pages in these. I like the fact that it's sort of all different sizes, and you can sort of be, well, in my opinion, you can be a lot more artistic, because you can, you know, have certain things behind certain other things, and other things poking out that, you know, sort of look nice together, you know, in layering things. So we've got that. There'll be a little signature in here. So then this one, I actually want this to be a pocket. So I'm just folding that back, and this is going to be a pocket that I'm going to use. So my next one's going to go inside this one. Let's rip that off. Or is it going to go that way? It doesn't really matter, because you can just fold it, you know, either way. But I think I want to glue this bit down, because it's already got, you know, the sticky bit on it. So I'm going to open this up. Put it in up to the crease. Shove it in there, I'll put it in there. See how some of your envelopes aren't actually stuck down properly? You probably have to stick that down yourself. It's just the way that they're made. So I want to make sure that's better. Straight. So this is going to be a pocket, and obviously it'll all be covered. I'm just going to do that for now. And let's make sure. There's going to be a pocket, and then on this side I'm going to have my next envelope. So let's just glue these together, and I'm not using these ones as pockets. The paper will go right over, so that will be closed. Just rip that one off. Now these two are coffee dyed, the others aren't. I just happen to have two coffee dyed ones left. Big mess with my glue. Okay, so now this one's going on here. And I have got extra envelopes in case I need another one, because I'm just not sure whether I want to add another one. So I'm just got to figure this out. I think I do, because I want like a flip out. Although that is going to flip over. So we're folding it like this, like a, you know, like a concertina, like that. So if I have a look at what I've got, that was just my little flip. And then this is going to be a signature, so that's one. If I turn this, I'm going to have my second signature in there. That's going to close, and then we can open from the back. And I'll have another signature in here. And I'm just going to glue this down now. And then when I go like this, I'm back to the beginning. Okay, so that's my 3 signatures. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3. But what I was thinking of was in my second signature, do I want just a flip page? So just a, it's not going to be another signature, it's just going to be a page. That I can add a pocket or something in. I'm just going to flip over the top of that signature that's in here. And I think I do want that, so I'm going to add another envelope as long as I don't forget that this is not a signature. So this is not a signature, it's just like a flip page. Now some people undo their envelopes and open them out. I don't know, I'm just worried about it being a bit flimsy. I'm just worrying about me ripping it, so I want to use mine. I also am using just ordinary printed paper that I printed most of my papers onto. So it's quite thin as well. So that needs to be able to fold. Now, so I've got that little flip page, so it goes in like that. But the only thing with this is you need to cut a bit off so that it will close properly. See how it's a bit too wide for this. Let's get my paper trimmer. Get my paper trimmer. All I'm going to do is trim off the edge of this, probably about 2 or 3/8 of an inch. Let's see if that works better. So when that is over, you want that to close. Yeah, so that's good. So I'll have another quick flip through just to show you. I don't think I'm going to cover it in this video, but I'll cover it in the next video. And I'll stitch all around it after I've covered it. So the little envelope, I think I'm going to use this as a pocket, so I'll just cut these off a little bit, these inside flaps, and then I'll just glue some paper up to about here to give it a pocket. So we've got signature 1 will go in here. I'm going to completely cover that. This is going to be a pocket. I'm going to turn that into a pocket. And then this is going to be signature 2. So this is going to fold out. Got signature 2. This is a little flip out. I haven't decided whether I'll use the pocket or not yet. Then turn it over. We've got the back. We open up the back and we have one signature in there. And then we're back to the front. Okay? So that is my basic construction for a flip-flop journal using envelopes. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye bye.